Alright, hello Year 7. Welcome to your last part of your tutorials, inserting the background and merging. So you should already know how to insert a background from Google Images. Remember, we search for large images and we copy and we paste it in. So you can see my background here. I just was experimenting with two of them, but I think this one might be a bit better. So what we want to do now, we would have duplicated our layers before when we were color correcting, or before we were. And I'm just going to get us to do that again, just in case, okay, we do want to go back, because once we merge them, they become one and we can't go back. So I'm going to click on my top layer and then hold down Shift, and my bottom layer, we're going to duplicate. Just for safekeeping, duplicate layers. Okay, and we're going to turn them off. Now we're going to merge our creatures together and we're going to create one layer. So we're going to click on the top and then to the bottom. Then we're going to merge layers. Now you'll notice here's one layer and I'm going to call this layer Animorph. Okay, the other layers are up there in case we do need to go back. So right now I've got an image and a background, an animal and a background. Control T. Now let's just have a little play around with what works best in this environment. That almost looks good because it looks like a shadow. I might place my little man over here. All right. Now what you can do here and have a little, I might put that over there actually. No, just there. What you can do is just have a little play around now with all the colour adjustments to see if you can get him looking like he suits that environment a little bit more. Okay, so I'm just playing around with my levels. That actually look quite good. Okay, he looks a little bit better now. All right. A few things for those advanced students who just want to have a bit more of a play. Let's play with our burn tool once again that lives under here. Oh, sorry. Our burn tool. I'm just going to burn in his the highlights of his claws and just see if we can make it look a little bit more believable. That's looking a bit better. Okay, so I'm just burning in and darkening those highlights there. Now in the next tutorial, which is an advanced one, and go for it if you'd like to have a go, I'm going to show you how to create a shadow to how to make him look even more believable. But in the meantime, what I could do is burn in some areas. So let's burn in some mid-tones into this background. Where he's sitting. Yeah. I'm going to zoom out to see how we're going. Now he looks a bit more believable than he did, doesn't he? All right. I'm going to say we're just about done. I might burn in a few mid-tones into his feet. If you're a little bit unsure about this burning process, maybe just go and duplicate your layer just in case you go too far and you don't like what you've done. Okay. All right, Year 7. There's your completed Animorph. If you'd like to learn how to do the shadow that takes a little bit further than the burning, feel free to watch the next video. Otherwise, well done.